Namaste. Hello everyone. So today I took a challenge called Sailing Without a Map. So today I am going to a place called
ನಾನು
Talguppa.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ತಾಳ್ಗುಪ್ಪಗೆ.
I have no idea what I am going to do.
After becoming black, we call it as a kauli hannu. Here, my mom will kill me if I go near.
See how it is going to be.
So this is my train. I have to board this train. This train is coming from Mysuru, I think. Not sure. It's written Mysuru to Talguppa. I don't know. I have to board this train now. Bye bye.
Namaste.
So today I am going to one good place. Okay, that is called Talguppa. I hope you guys know about Talguppa. It's quite famous place here. I don't know exactly what is there in a Talguppa, but I am going there. I don't know. Like it's like a sailing without a map for me. I boarded this train from Sangara and I am going to Talguppa to see the place, people, and how it is. I never went to Talguppa, so I am going there. Let's explore Talguppa today. Not that much crowded. Why? Because Talguppa is the last stop, as you guys know. So from Mysuru, from Bengaluru, So from Mysuru and from Bengaluru, this Talguppa comes. I hope you guys heard the name Talguppa train. And why I am going to Talguppa? Because it have a very good scenery, I heard, and it's good place. And you know, it appeared in many Kannada movies. So I'm just curious to know that how Talguppa is and what I am going to do. I too don't know. Once I reach there, I am going to find out what I'm going to do. I reached Talguppa. I don't know what to do. It's let's see. It's so hot today. It's so sunny.
ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು?
ನಾನು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ತಾಳ್ಗುಪ್ಪಗೆ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಯಾವ ನಿಮ್ದು?
ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ.
ಏನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀನು?
ತಾಳಗುಪ್ಪ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ
ಹಾ,
ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಗುಡ್ಡ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ನದಿ ಹೊಳೆ ಕೆರೆ
ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಗೌರಿಕೆರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದೊಂದಿದೆ.
ಹಾ,
ಅದೊಂದು ಒಂಚೂರು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಹೇಗಿದೆ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐಬಿ ಇದೆ ಮೇಲೆ.
ಹಾ,
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐಬಿ ಇರೋದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಐವಿ ಗೌರಿಕೆರೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾನು.
ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ್ಲಿ ಮಠ ಅಂತ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಇನ್ನು ನೀನು ಮತ್ತು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ರಂಗಪ್ಪನ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಗುಡ್ಡ.
ಹಾ, ಓ ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಮೇಲೆ ರಂಗನಾಥ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಈಗ ಯಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋಲ್ಲ
ಹಾ
ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಗುಡ್ಡದ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಇದೆ.
ಹಾ,
ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ಹೊಳೆ ಪಳೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನಿವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಗೆ. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ
ಹ್ಮ್.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ನೀನು
ಹೌದು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ತಾಳ್ಗುಪ್ಪಕ್ ಬಂದಿದೀನಿ. ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಸರಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಗೌರಿಕೆರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಹೀಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಈಗ ಸೀದಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
ಹಾ.
ಸೀದಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಗೌರಿಕೆರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಐವಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಐವಿ ಗಿಡ್ಡ ಹಾಕೋದಂಗೆ ಅದ್ ನೋಡು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಗೌರಿಕೆರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ್ಲಿ ಮಠದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಪ್ಪ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ನಿಂಗೆ ದೂರ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಗಿಡ್ಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಸರಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚರ್ಚ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದು
Thank you. People are so kind. So she told me some places here to visit. So let's go. I don't know. I didn't ask her that how much distance it is from here to there. I'm just going. I think the way she was telling to me, she told me that you can go there. So I think it's near only. And she told me one more place, one temple. It's far away for you. It's okay. You can visit these places only. So first I think I should go to. Shall I go to Gauri Mata first or that Mata or first Gauri Kere? I should ask here. I don't know which way I have to go. I'll ask this person. Uncle, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೌರಿ ಕೆರೆಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ? ಹೀಗ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಸಿ ಗೇರು ಬೀಜ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇಲಿಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಗೇರು ಬೀಜ ಅಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಲ್ನಾಡ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಗೇರು ಬೀಜ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ cashew nut. It's very famous. So it's very famous. If I saw any tree here, I'll show you. This road is called as a BH road, which means Bangalore Honnavara road. So Honnavara, the beach place, coastal area in this Karnataka. So you guys can go through this road. Wow, it's so hot here. I don't know where is the Gauri Kere. ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, I have to ask someone else here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೌರಿ ಕೆರೆಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು? ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು, ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನನೂ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಐಬಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ವೇ. I really want rain. It's so sunny. It's like you guys can't able to see that what I am feeling right now. I am feeling like I am boiling inside. I am boiling inside and I am burning outside. It's so sunny. It's so hot. Wow. There fully guys can see the forest. I don't think you guys can see that. It's like full hills, like forest area, lot of cows eating food that you guys can see. It's good. Again I have two ways here, so I have to make sure I'm going in the right way. So I have to ask someone. Okay, there is one chicken shop. I'll ask. Nobody is there. Uncle, ಅಣ್ಣ, ಇದು ಗೌರಿ ಕೆರೆಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು? ಆ ರೋಡಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Wow, it's upside road. This side is straight. See, now you guys can see that forest area. So, like, if you come here in the rainy season, it's good. It will be very, very gorgeous, beautiful place. Oh, he's so happy. I'm so tired. I want to drink coconut, tender coconut. Uncle, ಎಷ್ಟು ಫೋನ್ ಪೇ ತಗೋತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೀರು ನೀರು
ನೀರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಗಂಜಿ ಅಥವಾ ಬರೀ ನೀರು?
ನೀರು ಗಂಜಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
ನೀರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಗಂಜಿ ಎರಡು ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಹಾ. ವಾ, ಏನ್ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಅಂಕಲ್.
ಇದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ ಹೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಂಕಲ್ ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಬಿದ್ದೋಯ್ತು. ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದೋಯ್ತು. Oh, you guys want to see something? See this. Now, what is this? This is very famous, my favorite, called Kaulikai. There are so many for them. You guys want to see something? Look at it. Woo! So many flowers. This is called Kaulikai. It is raw now, so once it is ripe, it will become a black. So after becoming black, we call it as a kauli hannu. Very sweet. Now it will be sour. Okay. See, this is called Gauri Kere. I'm not sure that you guys can see the flowers, lotus flowers. Let me show you if I can go near. I can't go near. My mom will kill me if I go near. Everybody is looking at me like she is the crazy one. Like she is talking to herself all the way. But it's okay. This is just a beginning. So, but I am good. I am good. Maybe I should go that side. Here. Oh, there is a temple. I can see the temple. And there is a scenic beauty behind it. So let me talk to the people there. So if I can go to that forest place area. I don't think it will be nothing there. I know. Still, if I can go. Wow, it's so much hot. My hair's all wet because of this sweat. Let me dry my hair a little bit because they are so wet. The sweaty hair. Oh. Let me pluck one flower from here. Yo! Chuck. This is called as Daswala hibiscus. one type of hibiscus it is. Ah, looking good. You know what we say? Keeping flowers in here means you are a fool. So why I keep my flowers here always? Because I am one. Hi. I am one fool. Wow. See. This is the temple. I reached here. So I'll go inside. Sagra Taluku, Shimoga Jille. What is this? This is the temple. Heaten up. And I am going to intro myself. I'll do it. Hello. ಫಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಗೌರಿ ಕೆರೆ fully summer, so I think now I have to go back. Yeah, I will go back.